Welcome to the another video. So as you can see, you default have the header part. So basically we are today video we will cover the customization part. So let's get to the horizontal trigger, or you can add new section. If you click the under header, you just click here. Suppose we don't need this, we are delete this, we just keep the header, we can keep, just save it. And if you see the design layout, it will be showing like this. If you need this announcement bar, we just click here add section, you just click custom liquid announcement bar and horizontal trigger. So let's click the announcement bar. So we are find announcement bar here. So scroll top, so we need keep this top like this. We can change our content here like this. We can text size increase and desktop size can increase here. Okay, so we need right, it is right, center it is center. If you can left it is, you can also use a icon also. So I hope you understand how you can field icon, you can choose it, you can custom icon, you can choose any images if you have, you can vertical option like this. I keep this horizontal, so, and that's it. So this is part is done, so we just click the save. And now you see the header part, just click here header part, and you see sticky header scroll up. So when we are scroll like this, it is scroll. So I will keep this always none. Okay, it is not showing when I scroll this. So if you want, you can choose always, so it is always sticky. Okay, you see, I hope you understand. I will keep this none. Color schema accent to, I will change the color like this. I hope you understand. So logo link is default, which is front page, and desktop logo position, so we can change the position. So let's check top left, top center like this, middle left like this, and we can set middle center. So I will prefer this middle center, which is look fantastic. Okay, and you see there have a menu option. So we in this video we will cover how you create a menu also. So menu, you can choose your menu, replace, edit or remove menu. You can choose your own menu. Suppose I will click this footer, which is, I will show you a little more later how you will choose your main menu. Okay, I will create your menu. Okay, no problems. And this is part also a important desktop menu type. Okay, drop down, you can choose mega menu. So if you can try to, it is drop down, always keep. If you change the drawer, you see it is like now drawer like this. Okay, when you click this, it is showing like this option, it is fantastic. So I will keep this drop down. Highlight active link in desktop, which is this one. Okay, this is active. So if we disable this, you see now we are home page, so it is still the blank. So this is good, you can choose this highlighted link color. You also you can choose, suppose accent 2, background 1, background 2, inverse, it's up to you, you can choose anything else. So I will keep this accent 1 or inverse. Okay, and another things is default title menu, which is for mobile. So let's check, we already select a menu, secondary menu, we can choose for mobile secondary menu. Okay, choose the background color, left, center, logo, you see. Okay, I hope you understand how you can customize your header part. Now I will show you how you create your menu. Okay, so we are going to our store, and you see there have content option. So click the content and you see here have the menus. So click this menu. We have main menu, footer menu, customer menu. We can create another menu. So let's create a menu. So I will keep my name, my menu. Okay, I will keep this name and add menu item. You just click here the link. You can set up like this, add menu item. You can click the here. We are need to the collection now, all collection. Here add menu item, we just pages, we need contact, add menu item. So I will link here and I will need product, all product. Okay, like this. Also I will create a custom menu item. Click here, give the menu name. So I will keep it name our collection. Okay, like this name. Okay, our collection, and keep this any kind of you link you want, home page, search, collection, products, blogs, profile. So I will keep all collection. Okay, so suppose our collection click, it will go to the all collection link. Click the save and we are click the main menu. We see my menu, which is this menu layout. Okay, I will go to the customization part, click the header. Now we are change our menu. So I will click the main menu, replace my menu. You see like this, and click the save, visit the store. Now we see our collection. If I click the our collection, it will go to the all collection. Okay, if I click the contact, which is pages, came from page. So I hope you understand, and if you need the changes your position, menu position, you can keep change your own. So I will click the menus, my menu. So I need first our collection. Okay, I don't need all collection. All collection don't need. I will remove it and all products here, contact. Then I will create blog. Okay, my blogs, news. You can click the name here, blog. Okay, like this, save. And if you refresh it, it is sometimes takes a little time for the updated. I hope it will perfect. Now it will come. So I hope you can create your menu and change it for